Hey guys, welcome back to Bright Night Tech. My name is Berto and today we're looking at the MAONO multifunctional voice amplifier. We'll go ahead and start with an unboxing and then we'll take a look at what it can do. So let's get started. Alright, looking at the box, a really basic looking box, not their usual beautiful yellow box that they use. This tells me that this is probably something they're just starting to put out. Yeah, a bunch of stock photos in the back. So that tells me this is a new product that they're just testing out right now and just putting out there for sale. So this is probably one of the first ones coming out. So let's take a look. All right, right away we have what appears to be the headset piece. Has the microphone on that. We'll take it out in a little bit to test it out. That's the plug right there. All right, and I love that they are always very good about putting these cards out. If you have any questions, if you're happy with it, if you're not happy with it, they always give you a way to contact them, which is always awesome and appreciated. Looks like a strap for it. All right, what else do we have here? We have an auxiliary cable so you can connect it to a device like a phone. And we have the micro USB cable to charge it with, because it is a rechargeable product here, so you're not going to have to swap out batteries, which is again always appreciated. And we have the user manual right here. Gives you all the functions, a lot of things you can do with this. We'll go over some of it in just a bit, but if you want to pause it right there, you can take a look. All right, now let's take a look at the actual unit. Pretty big in size, which is probably good because it's a speaker. It's supposed to be able to project to a very large area. We have the belt clip right there. All the functions right there. The M is for mode, so you can change what kind of mode. It does have a slot for a micro SD card, and then the micro USB for charging. We have, let me flip that over. We have on and off, auxiliary, and for the mic, and then another USB. If you want to connect a different device. It does have an antenna for radio because it does also work as a standard FM radio, which is really cool. On and off right there. Flip it over. You can kind of see there what it says. Turn that off. So good size. It's hefty, but you do want that because it's a big speaker. Alright, so price-wise, you can get this on Amazon for $27.99. I'll put the link in the description to the Amazon page. So overall, it's a really good product. I mean, if you have a classroom, if you're a teacher, it would certainly help with that. Less expensive way to go if you're looking for voice amplification for a classroom. And now that kids are going back full-time, this might be a good option for your school district. If you don't have the funds to buy the big, fancy, very expensive speakers that some schools use, this is definitely a much lower priced option for that. Like I said, it has a lot of multiple functions. You can put in a micro SD card, so if you want to play music that you want to load on there, you can definitely do that. You can do that with the USB flash drive, put in your own music. Has a radio function, so you can even play music that way or just put on the radio. And of course the amplification for the microphone. Mic is very clear. We'll go ahead and do a test in just a second, but you can do a whole lot of things with this thing. And MAONO is a great microphone company, so it's interesting to see them get into this line of products. But absolutely take a look at it if you want to try it out. If you think it might be a product that you could use in your situation, definitely check it out. Now, let's go ahead and test this out.
Hey there, I want to welcome everybody to the Santa Rosa Zoo. Now, this is a new zoo, so the animals are very wild and not contained, so watch out for that. It's quite fun. The walruses are wandering around. Don't ride them. They don't like that, sir. Don't lick them. The reason I'm out here today is just to welcome you here, and I do want to point out that MAONO, a wonderful microphone company, has lent us these wonderful voice amplifiers, which you can see right here. They double as radios, and they do have an SD card slot, so we can play music. We won't because of copyright infringement, but as you can see, you can hear me very clear and crisp And I'm gonna level with you guys. I don't actually work here. I found this. I thought it was cool. I was gonna steal it. I saw a crowd. I took advantage. Now, I'm not sure why I just revealed to you that I stole this. I really shouldn't. I see security's coming this way, so I'm gonna head out. But keep in mind, you can hear me very clear with this MAONO voice amplifier. I should go though.
Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, go ahead and put in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell button for notifications, and we will see you next time.